From the evidence on record, it is clear that the accused persons herein, though persons employed in the public service, did not commit the offense of abuse of office and or breach of public trust as alleged, even though the prosecution has established that each accused person herein played a role towards the implementation of the project in question. Each accused person has demonstrated that he acted in good faith, exercised due diligence, and did not act arbitrarily in his respective role towards the implementation of the project.
This thing has been very costly to me. It cost me elections in 2017 when I stood as a governor for Kisii. It has been a major subject of contention as far as voters in my county are concerned. I have been called all sorts of names, but I'm glad that today all this has now come to an end and the truth has finally come out.